Hello student. Today we will take some examples and questions from chapter number 6 of class 9th NCERT book. First of all, we will take a very important example of chapter number 6. In a given figure, the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC are produced to a point E and D respectively if bisects BO and CO of angle CBE and angle BCD respectively meet at point O, then prove that angle BOC is 90 minus half of BAC. That means we have to prove that BOC, this angle, is half of 90 minus this angle X. So student, we will start with solution. First of all, you see this line, it is a straight line. So angle ABC plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degree, because straight line, straight angle you can say. Now ABC is angle Y plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degree. Now angle CBE is equal to 180 degree minus Y. Now CB is, if you divide it by 2, CBE divided by 2 is equal to half of 180 minus Y. So half of CBE is BCO. So half of CBE is angle CBO is equal to half of 180 degree minus Y, and if you open it you will get angle CBO is equal to 180 degree by 2 minus Y upon 2. So in that case you will get angle CBO is equal to 90 degree minus Y by 2. So this is the first equation. Similarly, if you see here AC similarly angle BCO is equal to 90 degree minus Z by 2. It is equation number 2. Now in triangle BOC, so you can say this angle CBO plus angle BCO plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. So angle CBO's value is 90 degree minus Y by 2 plus BCO is 90 degree minus Z by 2 plus angle O 180 degree. So value of angle O will be equal to 180 degree minus, transpose this, 90 degree minus Y by 2 plus 90 degree minus Z by 2. So when you open you will get 180 degree minus 180 degree plus Y by 2 plus Z by 2. So value of angle O is equal to Y by 2 plus Z by 2. This is equation number 3. Now take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. So x by 2 plus y by 2 plus z by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2. So you can say x by 2 plus y by 2 plus z by 2 is equal to 90 degree. Now y by 2 plus z by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus x by 2, and z by 2 and y by 2 is angle O. X by 2. Now put the value, angle O is मतलब angle BOC is equal to 90 degree minus half of angle X is BAC. So hence proof. Now we'll take some questions from exercise number 6.3. First question is given in a figure. Sides PQ and RQ or triangle PQR are produced to point S and T, and angle SP this is given 135 degree, and we have to find the value of PRQ. We have to find the value of this. Suppose this angle is X. So solution we can do like this. Now 110 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. So X is equal to 180 degree minus 110. So value of X is equal to 70 degree. Okay. Now 135 is exterior angle. So we can say angle X plus, suppose this is Y, is equal to 135 degree by exterior angle property. So X is already we have found, that is 70 degree. So Y will be equal to 135 degree minus 70 degree. So Y will be equal to 65 degree. And Y is what? So we can say Y is PR. Triangle PRQ is equal to 65 degree. This is question number 1 of exercise 6.3. Now we'll take one more question. In figure it is given that AB is parallel to DE, and we have to find the value of DCE. We have to find the value of this angle. So since AB is parallel to DE, it is given. So angle CE and D is equal to 35 degree. Alternate interior angle. So angle CED 35 degree as we already written here. Now see triangle, in triangle CDE, angle D plus angle E plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. So angle D is 53 degree. Angle E we have already got, that is 35 degree, plus angle DCE 180 degree. Now if you add it, you will get 88. When it takes you the angle DCE is equal to 180 minus 88 degree. So angle DCE will be equal to 92 degree. So this is the answer of this. Now student will take one very important question of so same exercise 6.3. It is given here that there is a triangle PQR is given, and if you bisect the angle Q and R and produce, it will meet at T. So we have to prove that this angle P is twice of that. So you see, this is very important question, as I told you. So in this question, first of all, we will start this angle C. Take triangle PQR. In triangle P, angle P, this angle P. Angle P plus angle Q is equal to angle PRS, exterior angle property. Okay, now half of that, make half of that, P by 2 plus Q by 2 is equal to angle PRS divided by 2. So P by 2, leave it like that, nothing to do. Angle Q by 2. Now we will take this part. Q by 2 you can write here. This is equal to angle TQR by 2. Angle PRS. PRS is, you can write PRS divided by 2 means angle TRS. Not it's not 2, so only this angle. Okay, so this equation number 1 for example. Now take a triangle TQR. Now triangle TQR. In this triangle TQR, angle T plus angle TQR is equal to angle TRS. Again, exterior angle property. This is equation number 2. Now you see both 1 and 2 are equal to TRS. So equate them. By equation angle 2, so we can write angle P by 2 plus angle TQR is equal to angle T plus angle TQR. So angle P by 2 is equal to angle T, and we have to prove the same thing. Angle P means what? Angle P means angle QPR is equal to angle T. Angle T means angle QTR. Hence proof.